Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Flux AI within Stable Diffusion step by step. So if you're ready to level up your image generation game, make sure to stick around till the end. Let's get into it. First, you'll need to download the install Flux AI model from Black Forest Labs. You can find all the official guides and documentation on their website or on platforms like Comfy UI. Now, before installing, make sure your system is compatible. Platform like Comfy UI or Forge work perfectly for running the Flux AI model. Once you have chosen your platform, follow their specific setup instructions carefully. After installation is done, you're ready to start creating. Flux AI is known for producing high quality images with impressive prompt accuracy, especially when it comes to tricky details like hands and fingers and even text. You can also play around with the various settings and customizations options to really fine tune your outputs. And that's it. Now you know how to use Flux AI in Stable Diffusion in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.